Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. 19 by 24 inch canvas and an OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula from Good Grips, the best paint spreading tool I know of that I make no money on, but I tell you because I love this. I have got a desire to have some color therapy. Let's do it again. I want another color with it. Alizarin Rose. So I think I'm just going to go for that. I am feeling like, strangely enough, yellow. Not sure, I should wipe that spatula off. I've got some Tuscan Sun. And wipe that off again. Turn it upside down and have a look at it from the other direction, see how I feel about it. Let's grab that. I'm going to miss the white if I get rid of it. Let's see how I like it before I go any further. Definitely hearing the call to something, but I'm not sure what it is, and I think it's not frozen. So I think some blue flame is in order. And I'm contemplating some Cerulean C. Possibly even with it. And I've got some bobbing for apples. Which I think should have been a darker color. But that's okay because I can still add Snapdragon, which is probably the color I really want. If I can get it to come out. I think it was a problem yesterday. So there's the Cerulean C. And I want to use the color that's on my spatula. I'm wondering if the Whispering Wisteria would just be a lighter version of the Dancing Fuchsia. There is one way to find out. That's Whispering Wisteria. And I want some more blue velvet. This is, remember, this is therapy for me, so I'm just spreading colors. If something happens to turn out, that'd be great. If it doesn't, it'll become a background. I still want to add black. I still want more blue velvet. The smaller the dot, the thinner the line. I probably should have thought about that. Still want black, and I'm kind of liking what I'm doing. More as I go. I have some tangerine, which is nothing more than yellow and orange mixed, and I think I'm going to use some of it if it's open. Is it going to happen? It's not going to happen much. Not without opening it all the way. What have I got? I must have something. I've got Orange Crush. Which I may or may not want more of in a moment. I'm going to just grab a clean spatula rather than take time. Yeah, definitely like that. Very happy that the tangerine didn't actually open. Ooh, that was way more than I anticipated. That's okay, I like it. It's kind of a happy looking painting, but I might do some black. I just have to decide where is safe, and I can't decide where is safe. I could leave that or swivel it around, see if I want some more. I'm resisting the gold. There, I kind of like that. I think I'm almost done, at least for this stage. The temptation is to take my rubber brush and straighten some things out, and maybe I will. I'm not sure it's the best idea I ever had, but I really wanted to add some black lines, so I did. That's just, I like this just like it is. I can't wait to see what it looks like dry. Maybe I'll keep it, maybe I won't. The canvas is triple primed white already, so we're not going to worry about that part at least. I can always finish it with some kind of sealer. That's my silicone rubber brush. Is there anywhere else that needs it? I kind of like the blobs. I don't usually like them. But right now I'm kind of liking them. Chances are good I'm going to black the edges of this thing. I like all of it. Alright, I guess I'm done. Hi, this is Priscilla. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And if you'd like to be super helpful, please join the membership. My art is for sale. I'm here to help. If you have questions, feel free to ask. I have 2 books on paint pouring. They're found in the Amazon link, and the Amazon link is found on the link tree in the description underneath the video. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you come again. Bye for now. Priscilla out.